Now today we are going to learn the addition, but in other way. In other way means you know the addition. How to do the addition? Whenever the numbers are given vertically, horizontally, on number strip with the help of forward counting also. But in this topic, addition or adding by grouping in tens. Means suppose this example is given to you 13 plus 4, but we cannot solve this example with the help of forward counting. Why? Because our heading is adding by grouping in tens. Firstly, we have to make the group of that number. Make the group of that number means which number is given here? 13. And the next number is 4. Firstly, 13 numbers. And you know it, we have learned previously that regroup the number. Means whenever the number is given, regroup that number in tens means draw that much circle, draw that much figures. And among those figures, circle the 10 things. Because 110 means 10 ones. And whenever we make the group of 10 ones, that time it became the 110s. Means 13, I have drawn the 13 circles with black pen. Why? Because this number is a 2-digit number. And in this 2-digit number, 13 is a first number and 4 is another number. So I have drawn 13 circles with the black color pen and the 4 circles with red color. Means this red color circle indicates this number, 4 number. Now in this 13, firstly make the group of 10. And you know it, group of 10 means 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means this group of 10 ones, it is a 110. How many are remain? 1, 2, 3. But these 3 are from 13. That's why I have drawn it with a different color. Means these 3 are from the 13. In 13, 110 plus 3. But here again one number is given and this 4 indicates this red color circle. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And as I said you, whenever the number is less than 10, it is in a ones. So 7 ones. 110 plus 7 ones. What is this? O-N-E-S. 110 means, what is the meaning of 110? 10 plus 7 ones means 7. 10 plus 7 is equal to, now you can do with the help of forward counting. After 10, count the 7 number. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. That's why this answer is 17. Let's solve the next example. 15 plus 2. Firstly, we have to draw the figures, draw the circles. How many circles? 15, but with one pen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now this number is over. Which number is remain now? 2 is remain. Draw the circles, but draw with a different color. Why different color? Because you will come to know this number indicates, this color indicates this number. That's why I have drawn with 2 colors. Now 15 circles. But before that, grouping the number means make the tens. And make the tens means circle the 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this 10. This is a group of 10. A group of 10 means 110. 110 now plus. How many are remain? Let's count. But which are drawn with the help of black color. Those black color circles indicates this number. Means among these 15, we have taken 110. Now how many are remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means this 5 is a 5 ones. But again we have one number. That number is 2. And it is also less than 10. So it is a ones. Let's add this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 7. 7 ones. 7 ones. Now let's convert. 110 means 10 plus 7 ones means 7 is equal to, what is the answer? As we have solved here. Coincidentally, both examples same. 17. Again 17. Means in this way, It doesn't mean that always your answer will be 17. That's why I said coincidentally then example came same. Means in this way, whenever example is given, that time firstly draw the pictures, draw the circles, and from that among those circle find or make a group of 10. And how many are remain? Convert into ones, tens, ones. Lastly, do the addition. In this way, this is the adding by regrouping in tens.
Hi everyone, today we are going to learn the new concept which is days of the week. Oh, yes, what is meant by days of the week? Yes, days of the week means वार, आठवड्याचे वार. Okay, now how many days are in a week? How many days are in a week? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. How many? 7 days. So which are these? Yes, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, now let's look here. Monday. Yes, Monday is the first day of the week. What? Monday is first day of the week. Yes, after Sunday comes the Monday. Yes, so that's why Monday is the first day of the week. आपली स्कूल वीक कधी स्टार्ट होतो? तर मंडेला स्टार्ट होतो, संडेला फिनिश होतो की नाही? येस. Now, after Sunday comes the Monday and our school start from the Monday. Yes, प्रत्येक वीकला आपली स्कूल कोणत्या दिवशी स्टार्ट होते? तर मंडेला स्टार्ट होते. That's why Monday is the first day of the week. So what is the spelling of Monday? M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Now say after me, Monday. Again say after me, Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Now again say after me, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Monday is the first day of the week. Monday. After that comes the Monday, Tuesday. Which day comes after the Monday? Tuesday. Tuesday is the second day of the week. What? Tuesday is the second day of the week. Okay. Which day comes after the Monday? Tuesday. What is the spelling of Tuesday? T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. What is the spelling of Tuesday? T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. Say after the teacher, Tuesday. Very good. Again say after the teacher, Tuesday. Very nice. Now T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. Say with me, Tuesday. Very good. Now which day comes after the Tuesday? Yes. Very good. Wednesday. Which day comes after the Tuesday? Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. So which day comes after the Tuesday? Wednesday. Wednesday is the third day of the week. Yes, Wednesday is the third day of the week. Now say after the teacher, Wednesday. Wednesday. Good. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Very good. Now the next, Thursday. So which day comes after the Wednesday? Thursday comes after the Wednesday. Very good. What is the spelling of Thursday? T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Very good. Say after the teacher, Thursday. Good. Again say after the teacher, Thursday. Very nice. So what is the spelling? T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Now say with the teacher, Thursday. Very good. Now Friday. Which day comes after the Thursday? Friday. Friday is the fifth day of the week. Yes, Friday is the fifth day of the week. What is the spelling of Friday? Friday. Friday. Say after the teacher. Friday. 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 Very good. Say it with the teacher. Friday. Friday. Very good. After Friday, Saturday. What? After Friday, Saturday. So what is the spelling of Saturday? Saturday. 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 Now say with teacher. Saturday. Very good. Say after the teacher. Saturday. Saturday. Saturday is the sixth day of the week. Yes. Saturday is the sixth day of the week and it is the last day of the week. Why I said the last day of the week? Sunday is the last day of the week. But our schools, yes, start from the Monday and end with the Saturday, right? And Sunday is the holiday. संडेच्या दिवशी असते सुट्टी असते आपली स्कूल ना वीक मध्ये केव्हा स्टार्ट होते इन वीक स्टार्ट विथ मंडे अँड एंड विथ सॅटर्डे अँड संडेला काय असतं सुट्टी असते हो की नाही येस येस सॅटर्डे इज द सिक्स्थ डे ऑफ द वीक नाउ आफ्टर दॅट सॅटर्डे कम्स द संडे विच डे कम्स आफ्टर द सॅटर्डे संडे SUNDAY संडे SUNDAY Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. Now say with the teacher. Sunday. Very good. Sunday. Very nice. Again see the word Monday to Sunday. How to say? Okay. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. So which are these? Now let's again see. Monday. Monday. After the Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday. Then Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. 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 Friday. 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 Saturday. 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 Sunday. 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 Now these are 7 days of the week. So today we learned days of the week.